Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you can see, I'm starting off the look with my P. Louise primer in Rumour 2 and just kind of blending that onto the lid. And the palette that I'm going to be going in with today is the James Charles palette. Now, as you can see, I'm going in with this dark purple shade here and starting that off in the outer V of the eye. Now, after packing that shade on, the next colour I'm going to be going in with is a pink shade, this one here. And I'm just not blending it on top of the purple, but kind of blending it next to the purple because we want to go for that rainbow cut crease today. So yeah, we're just kind of building up that pink and making sure it's kind of going in for that ombre kind of look when it seamlessly blends out from the purple. And the next colour I'm going in with is a yellow here, and I'm popping that on the inner part of the eye here. As you can see, as the yellow gets blended in with the pink, it kind of creates almost an orange shade, so it works in well with the whole rainbow kind of cut crease that we're going for. Now, as you can see so far, it's not looking very blended, so to blend in those colours, I'm going to use this it's kind of like a berry purple, and I'm kind of really lightly blending out that purple, just doing it little by little and kind of dragging it out to make that kind of winged effect because I don't plan on doing a liner today. Now, when that is all done, I am going to move on to the pink section of the eye. So I'm going in kind of with the same pink as I did earlier, but mixing it in with a lighter pink. And again, very lightly blending out that pink shade, just buffing it back and forth, just so it looks a bit more seamless. Then going from the yellow portion of the eye, so I'm going back in with the yellow and mixing it in with that lighter yellow shade and just kind of blending that out, kind of, you know, it's obvious, you know, you can see. And then going in with my P. Louise base again, just to cut out the crease, you know, doing the whole crazy eye look, but you know, it works. Now, as you can see, with no added product, I'm literally just using whatever is left on the brush and just kind of buffing out the edges of the cut crease. So first going in with the purple brush and then I'm going over the pink brush. It just gives it more of that, you know, luxe look in a way, you know. And then going in with the 39L palette by Morphe. I'm going in with this iridescent, it's like an iridescent blue shade, and then mixing it with this iridescent purple shade from the James Charles palette. And I was just kind of experimenting, seeing what I liked, and I kind of liked the variations of the blue and the purple and the iridescence of it. So then going back in with the purple and mixing it with the black, and I'm kind of smudging it in the outer V, just so we've got a little bit of dimension, a bit of depth. Especially when I put the lashes on, it'll really just make the lashes pop. And then again, just making sure it's kind of blended, you know, you don't want that bulkiness of the black and the purple, so just going over it to blend. I'm going in with the Balm Swing Liner. This is me mentally preparing myself. And I'm just doing a straight up line, nothing too crazy, really easy. And this liner is so good for doing stuff like that, you know, it's an easy liner. And then just using a smudger brush and going in with the purple just to kind of buff it out because I didn't want it looking too neat. I wanted it look, you know, a little bit grungy. Even though it's a rainbow look, we want to look a bit grungy. And then going in with the unicorn lashes in the style Bambi. Love these. They are so fluffy and just, oh, lovely. And then I felt like it was missing a little something, so I used my Urban Decay glitter in Distortion And I didn't go too heavy with the glitter, but I did layer a small amount of glitter because, you know, what rainbow look isn't complete without a bit of glitter. And then boom, we've got full face makeup on. And I'm just using whatever's left on the purple brush and just lightly buffing it on the outer part of the bottom lash, and then going in with this blue shade and leading it off from the purple, because obviously, you know, rainbow, it's got to be done. And then after I've done the blue, made sure it's nice and pigmented, I am then going to go in with the green shade, which is right here. So going in with this like a lime green and popping that. I don't go too crazy with the green. Green's not really my colour, but I popped a bit of it on. To highlight the brow bone, I'm going in with a shimmery shade here. It's a nice brow bone highlight, to be honest. I like it. And then mixing it in with a bit of yellow to pop it in my inner corner there. I just thought it kind of accentuated the yellow portion of the look. And then just finishing off with a bit of mascara. And that, guys, is the finished look, my rainbow cut crease. If you enjoyed the look, please feel free to thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. And of course, follow me on IG. My IG is lacy.makeup. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.